चैनल की सभी अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन।
It's said, seeing is believing. So come along and take a journey.
Number 1 Institute of Stock Market Education, IFMC.
The award-winning institute, recently awarded at City Icon Award 2018. What makes IFMC so different? IFMC is an award-winning institute for providing excellence in financial market courses. Awards definitely make a difference as it sets you apart from others. IFMC is a reputed name in stock market and financial market education. What makes IFMC excellent? A well-balanced combination of theoretical and practical knowledge makes it excellent. Its research wing is the best and excellent in the industry. Stock market is a vast field and complete knowledge of this is essential to work confidently in the market. People come to stock market with different aims. Some see it as a career and for some it is an additional source of income. On the other hand, some simply view it for investment. These different aims of people are fulfilled by IFMC. Faculties are soul of the IFMC. IFMC has high regard for its faculties and mentors. It is the faculty or mentor who shape up their students. IFMC faculties are not only well qualified but also have good practical experience in stock market. IFMC has high standards of teaching and has stringent quality check methods. Who is Manish Taneja? Manish Taneja is a well-known name in stock market industry. He is a senior research analyst of IFMC and has poured his heart and soul in UDTS, Unidirectional Trade Strategies. UDTS is a brainchild of our senior research analyst, Mr. Manish Taneja. UDTS has actually taught a common man
How to trade without fail.
UDTS is popular over 150 countries worldwide. Manish Taneja is popular for his simplistic lecture and down-to-earth approach. He is loved and respected by one and all. All faculties of IFMC are trained under him. Smart Practical Labs. It is the place where students learn the practicals that makes them smart trader. Where are the centers of IFMC? IFMC has its centers in Delhi Lajpat Nagar, Lakshmi Nagar, North Campus and Delhi NCR Vaishali. IFMC's online platform. Online platform of IFMC is the best rated platform by its users. There are a number of courses for students in both career-oriented series and combo courses for investor and trader ranging from beginner level to advanced level courses. Students can choose as per their need and convenience. IFMC's online platform is the most preferred platform for students, investors and traders not only in India but worldwide due to its simplistic and practical approach. What is UDTS? UDTS is the most popular program of IFMC. UDTS is a bundle of intraday and positional trading strategies to trade accurately and perfectly in the market. UDTS is a copyright content of IFMC and is popular over 150 countries worldwide. IFMC has its soul in students and faculties, and this is what makes the difference and makes IFMC the number 1 institute for stock trading all over India.
ऑनलाइन कोर्स बाय IFMC बेस्ट ई-लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म। हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज को आप 1 by 1 और कॉम्बो पैक दोनों तरह से ले सकते हैं, जिसके लिए आपको हमारी वेबसाइट www.ifmcinstitute.com पर लॉगिन करना होगा, जहां पर आप कॉम्बो पैक कोर्सेज का बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं, जिनको हमने 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है। 1 क्विक ट्रेडर, 2 stock market for traders, 3 stock market for professionals. क्विक ट्रेडर कॉम्बो पैक इंट्राडे एंड पोजिशनल सेगमेंट के लिए है, जिसमें आपको स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर बिगनर्स प्लस यूनिडायरेक्शनल ट्रेड स्ट्रेटजी कोर्सेज का पैक मिलता है, जिसका प्राइस 7200 रुपए है। स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर ट्रेडर्स ये कॉम्बो पैक एडवांस ट्रेडिंग के लिए IFMC ने तैयार किया है, जिसमें आपको स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर बिगनर्स प्लस यूनिडायरेक्शनल ट्रेड स्ट्रेटजी प्लस टेक्निकल एनालिसिस प्लस ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजी कोर्सेज का पैक मिलता है, जिसका प्राइस 14,400 रुपए है। स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स ये कॉम्बो पैक एडवांस ट्रेडिंग और लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए IFMC ने खास तौर पर तैयार किया है, जिसमें आपको स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर बिगनर्स प्लस यूनिडायरेक्शनल ट्रेड स्ट्रेटजी प्लस टेक्निकल एनालिसिस प्लस ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजी प्लस फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस कोर्सेज का पैक मिलता है, जिसका प्राइस 18,000 रुपए है। इन कॉम्बो पैक को लेने के लिए आपको हमारी वेबसाइट www.ifmcinstitute.com पर लॉगिन करना होगा या YouTube डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करके आप इन कॉम्बो पैक कोर्सेज को परचेज कर सकते हैं या नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं 9870510511।